Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Taster app. See it up there in your left-hand corner. Click on the icon, brings you to company profiles. The only company profile currently is Ken Wright Sellers that we created. On the bottom of the screen, there's several other icons there. One's a search icon, one's a settings icon, and then back to company profiles. This app was created to be open source for anyone who wanted to use it, and that's why there's a search function if there's enough profiles to actually need that option. If you click on the logo, you get the logo. If you click on the words, you get the company profile. It shows you a quick description of the winery, as well as contact information in case people need more information, as well as a product listing / wine listing. You click on the words again, it brings you to an actual product page, gives you some information on the actual wine. If you click on the play button, it brings you to a YouTube link where you can actually play a video about the wine itself.
Savoia is one of our owned sites.
Exit out of this. If you go back up to the top of the screen where there's description and document listed, and you click on document, you get the documents that I've uploaded. There's a distributor list. There's a video talking about Nomacork, which is the closure that we use. There's a video about our organic farming that we practice. And there's even a legacy score sheet here. Legacy score sheet has our scores back to 2014. This document is something that could be easily forwarded directly from your phone, directly from this app, as well as any of those other options that were listed there that can be sent directly to customers. We use this app for employee training. We use this app to send to our wine partners. That could be either restaurants for their own training, that could be our distributors for their own employees, that could be for anyone just interested from a general standpoint about listening to someone describe the wines. So it's a versatile app. I hope that you use it. Thank you very much.